For these two multiplying guesses, one of them will have to be modified, one of them won't. Let's get started. So it's the same left-hand side for both of them. We have y double prime plus 8y prime plus 25y. And then they both have the same homogeneous solution then, which is c1 e to the negative 4x times cosine 3x plus c2 e to the negative 4x times sine 3x. The difference is the right-hand side here. So this one is x squared minus 4 times e to the negative 4x times sine 2x, versus this one is sine of 3x. So let's go ahead and write down our guesses. So we have a second order polynomial here, so we're going to guess the second order ax squared plus bx plus c times e to the negative 4x, or exponential. Let me make that look like a 4. And then times, let's see, d cosine of 2x plus e sine of 2x. And so here we got close to being one of the homogeneous solutions, but not quite. That's right, with the ax squared, the bx times any of this stuff won't match one of the homogeneous solutions. But we did have c times e to the negative 4x, but it's not multiplying the right sign and cosine. It's multiplying cosine 2x and sine 2x, where these are cosine 3x and sine 3x. So this guess will work. If we multiplied it out, nowhere would we have a constant times exactly a homogeneous solution. So we're good. This next one, though, that won't be true. So right, if we write this one out, it's ax squared plus bx plus c times e to the negative 4x, and then times, let's see, d cosine of 3x plus e sine of 3x. Now this one, if we multiply it out, we have two homogeneous solutions. So one would be the c times e to the 4x times that one, and another would be the c times e to the 4x times the sine. Right? Both of those would be c e to the negative 4, c times d times e to the negative 4x times cosine of 3x. This other one would be c times e times exponential to the negative 4x times sine of 3x. Right, and those are both a constant. It's two constants, c times e, but a constant times a constant is still a constant. So c times e to the negative 4x times sine 3x, that's right there. The other one, constant e to the negative 4x cosine 3x, is right there. So this one won't work. So we have to modify it. And intuitively, I like to modify the part that's causing a problem. So I do y particular of x equals, I still have my polynomial ax squared plus bx plus c times e to the negative 4x. And then times, I've got d cosine of, d times x times cosine of 3x plus e times x times sine of 3x, because they were both causing problems. So that, intuitively, that's how I would do it in my head, but if I were to actually go through and do this problem, it would be a lot of product rules. But if I were, I'd probably take this x and I'd put it into the polynomial, because that would be a few less product rules. So this would also, equivalently, you could write ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx times e to the negative 4x times d cosine of 3x plus e sine of 3x. They'll end up giving you an equivalent answer, or equivalent, form. But that's the idea. So, right, if you were to multiply out your entire guess, then you can have none of the terms, when you multiply it out, can be exactly a constant times a homogeneous solution, which we had a problem with here. So this one didn't work, but this one will work.